Hello darlings, good morning, good afternoon and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. So this is Christine on your market show. Out of demand, this video is coming your way to show you how you can increase the money, how you can increase coins or mining on Sunwave's token coins, call it the way you can call, which is found on Ice Open Network. This one, the video we put for introduction and registration last 3 days, but we see it is very important for us to bring it to your way that you can increase, you can boost your earnings, you can boost your mining as far as these points and these tokens are concerned. So we are going to take you through in a summary of how can you register once again, because most individuals have been asking us in a private messages on our WhatsApp, and even they go ahead and ask how they can increase it, why is it like this. So you guys, if you haven't registered, what are we talking about? We are talking about one of the coins that is newly launched, and we are looking forward to it will be massive, because if you've been in crypto world, I've been in crypto world, but later I moved away, but I ripped enough on Ethereum, I ripped enough on Bitcoin, but this one is quite different. So you want to get more of the coins than what you are getting right now. How do you get it? Let's go together. If you haven't registered, or if you're not yet a member, please go to the comment section, or you can even go as far as our description of this video. You will get there a link that will take you to either Telegram, or will take you to your browser, or it will take you to your Play Store. Then you register direct, but don't forget to use my code. My code will make me earn some more points. That is, even you immediately as you register, you're going to get 10 points. They are called 10 SWAR. That is SW. You call it the way you can call it. Then when you get it, you'll be part of my group, whereby we'll work together. You are going to do the same thing, you're going to do the replicate. So you expect this video to be a bit long, because it is a bit detailed and more educative, because I would love you to know this than coming back to ask me in private messages. So if you go and finish registration, you're going to get 10 coins of this Sunwave. Immediately you'll get it. Even me, I'm going to get a bonus, because you would have added on my list of referrals. So how do you now, having gotten 10, how do you increase your earnings? How do you increase your mining? By the way, we can call it mining, free mining. Now, for you to increase free mining, there are different stages from 1 to 5. These stages, the first stage is like you're now getting already, you've joined. Now the second stage is every day you have to do mining. But how do you do mining? This mining, you're going to do it by tapping or by refreshing every after some time of hours. So if you've mined today, you are going to be going every after 14 hours to 24 hours and click there, such that the moment you refresh, if you be seeing this video, I'm going to do for you illustration. You check down where there is SW and there is a click here where the arrow is showing. It means that place you're going to be clicking there, then it will start refreshing for it to mine. If you forget, they will slash your coins. Or you can go up there where you see those 4 dots. Those 4 dots, you can also click there and do the same. But the easiest way, it's to click down here, whereby it will start mining immediately as you click there. Now, having said that, you have already done that and you're doing referral. There's other stages that you can go to and start mining. Me, I'm already on the 5th stage, but let me go with you and we see how you can do it. We have different stages. The referral rate. 2, you're going to increase the length, the session of mining. 3, you're going to increase the SW tokens, these tokens that you get by some amount of money. Also, you're going to increase the referral limit. Now, where we are right now, if you immediately start, you are given a referral limit of 5 people. And you know, there are also advantages of you referring people. The more you refer, the more you also get more coins, more tokens, more people, more advantages. Now, if you want to boost more and you increase, you expand, you know, if you've been in this business of mining, people are there, they know. But I'll be giving you the basics such that you can also go, as you start, you can also read yourself, you can mine and see what exactly can you do. If you fail, you can come back here on this video, write your question there, I'll be answering you. So they are different levels from level 1 to level 5. So the first level, the moment you go to first, you want to boost the first level. The first level, if you want to increase the tokens, SW tokens, you want to increase the lengths of session as in terms of mining. You know, right now we are given 14. If you're in the ordinary, the first one, as you entered, you're given 14 hours. These 14 hours meaning every after 14 hours, don't forget to refresh. If you refresh, the mining starts taking place. If you forget, they will slash your coins or your tokens. So you go on the first one, you are supposed to it has a price, the first level, 209 ice. If you know the ice, if you've not been in this in this business of mining, you can go and click on ice and read more about the ice. Ice is also one of the platform. Then the 200 and ice, there is also a way for you to go and mine this, and pay this ice. It is so small, it is very cheap, by the way. Like you will find that 1,000 ice is around $2 or $3, so it is not too much. So you on the first level, you pay that amount, and when you pay that amount, they will increase your session. Then on the second one, they will increase your session 1, 2, they increase your token 2, they will increase even your referral limit to 5. Now we on that. Now let's go to level 2. Level 2, the moment you go to level 2, you're going to pay ICE 418. The 418, it means you're going to get 50% of the tokens. You are given the 24 length time for you to do mining. You will not go back and go to refresh in 14 hours. No, this time you're given 24 hours. And the referral limit, they increase you to refer people to 10 people. Before, we are referring only 5 people. You cannot refer more than 5. Now, there is also a third level. The third level still is 628 ice, and you're given 75% of SW token, and you're given also session which is still 24, but the referral limit, they increase it to 15 persons, so which is good. Then the fourth, you're given 100% of SW tokens, and also it has its own price, of which the referral limit is increased to 20, and the session length is increased to 48, which is very good also. Then the highest, which is level 5, of which I feel it's where we should go to now, you pay a price of 1,046 ice, of which 1,046 ice, you are given 125% of the SW tokens, and the session is it is very high, also still 48, but on this one there is no slashing at all. You are not going to be slashed whether you forget or you don't forget to refresh. And the limit referral is going to 25. 25 is so good because the more you refer, the more you also get the advantages. You're going to ask me, Christine, I've not been in this business. How do I do my buying of ice? You can buy your ice using one of any platform down there they have put for you. You can look through it. It is down here. And also, if you don't know, you can come ask, then I tell you and very low, very not very big. And I'm ready. I'll be helping to every person that is joining, has joined with my link. So because I can see you, by you, thank you very much for having joined my team. I can see you there. You're already mining. Please try to refer people such that you can also gain from the referrals. So I'll be from this stage of upgrading. I'll be helping you privately. If you want me to help you, if you want, just join the team and I'll be telling you what next. For that, you guys continue, do the mining, do the refreshing, and let's make money. Let's mine.